Today is March 16, 2023. According to the statement made by AFAD, an earthquake with a magnitude of 4.8 occurred at 13.55, the epicenter of which was Bolu. After the 4.8 magnitude earthquake, 3 more earthquakes, the largest of which was 2.3, occurred. In the Kandili statement, the magnitude of the earthquake was measured as 4.7 and its depth as 9.6 kilometers. It's new breaking news. Don't forget to follow for new news. You can reach our other videos by clicking on the card buttons to browse my other videos or by clicking one of the 2 videos at the end of the video. Thank you for listening to me.